So, staying with Luke's story, after a prolonged journey in chapters 9 through 19, Jesus finally arrives at Jerusalem and goes immediately to the temple, the hub of all activity, and raises a ruckus. "You've made my house a den of thieves." He then attacks the temple itself. "It will be destroyed," he says. "Some of you will die, and it will happen within your lifetime. Jerusalem will be trodden down by the Gentiles until the times of the Gentiles are fulfilled." Now, if you read carefully, reading Luke's story on its own, you'll see something really special. Luke Acts is correcting the eschatological expectations of at least some early Christian readers about the kingdom of God. It is not a typical kingdom, physical, in time, or by signs. It is spiritual, God's rule, God's judgment already in play and can be seen in both healings and condemnations. It is not about to be revealed. That's what the disciples thought in 1911. It is already around you, or in you, or within your grasp. So Luke, by emphasizing Jerusalem, as we saw last week, says that Jerusalem must kill him, but as a vindication, he will destroy Jerusalem. The Son of Man coming in a cloud, in the Gospel of Luke, is not a setting up of the kingdom. It is rather the apocalyptic judgment by the one who is already king against Jerusalem in prophetic terms. Several things about Jesus' death are told only by Luke. Being sent to Herod, the women who followed him, his prayer for his crucifiers, "Father, forgive them, for they don't know what they're doing," his statement to the thief, "Today you'll be with me in paradise," and his final quote from Psalm 31, "Into your hands I commit my spirit." Luke tells a simplified version of the story, emphasizing that the people who should have known him didn't, and the ones who did, the women, a thief, a soldier, were a sign of the kingdom of God itself. The most scintillating addition by Luke comes at the very end. 42 verses in all, told only by Luke. Jesus appears to several people alive, typified by two disciples described as sad. "We had hoped that he was the one to redeem Israel." So the risen Jesus, beginning with Moses and all the prophets, he interpreted for them all the scriptures about the things concerning himself. Interesting. Moses and the prophets, harking back to that conversation on the mountain with Moses and Elijah with Jesus in glory. Remember? Where a voice came and said, "This is my son, listen to him." And so the last verse of the book, they return to Jerusalem and are daily in the temple, exactly where the Gospel of Luke started.